easy is it to set up an engineering company in the current climate? Well, we've travelled to MRN Engineering near Banbury to find out how. Matt, congratulations for starting up the company. What was it that gave you the motivation to start now?
So I've been planning to set up for a couple of years. I've been looking around. I was working for other companies, and I've been dealing with a lot of suppliers, a lot of the machine shops, and it excited me, the prospect of doing it myself. I didn't plan on starting up in a pandemic originally, but I lost the contract I was doing previously. Everything was in place, and I thought, now's the time.
To go for it?
Yeah, now's the time to go for it, yeah.
So just quickly, what's your history and what's brought you to this moment then?
Okay, so I'm a design engineer, development engineer. I've worked in a lot of test environments in various companies, developing products.
Some big brands as well.
Yeah, some big brands, some big kind of like life cycle, lots of high-profile products, and I designed a lot of test equipment. I got a lot of test equipment made, outsourced, commissioned, and I saw a gap in the market. I wasn't always 100% happy with all the suppliers I was dealing with, and I thought I can do this better than a lot of people. I think the fact that I've got a design background and I've also got machining capabilities, bringing the two together is a bit of a speciality that a lot of people can't offer.
So then with your background, what is your USP for your customers then?
So I want to really work with people, work on low volume prototyping, specialist work, quick turnaround, things that might need a little bit extra work in the design side to get onto the machine, develop relationships with people where I can really support them.
You haven't really gone for entry level machines and equipment, have you? You've kind of taken it up a level.
Yes, I want to be able to do anything. If someone says I need this, I want to be able to do it. So I've bought the equipment to be able to get on with it.
And one of your first jobs, in fact, suited the table size, because if you'd have gone smaller, you wouldn't have been able to do it. You'd have turned that work away.
That's correct, yeah. So first job I got through publishing myself on LinkedIn, one of the first jobs, and it was a really big sheet job, and if I hadn't gone for the big machine, yeah, that would have gone away. I would have had to turn it down.
So how has it been for you?
Better than expected, actually. I was expecting my long-term business plan, the first 3 months, I was expecting just to kind of get everything ready, but I've managed to turn over more in my first kind of 5 weeks of trading, get some really interesting work than I was
What you
really
were planning for?
Yeah, what I was planning for, yeah.
And where have you found your work?
Combination of people that I've worked with, and they've moved on to other companies that I've been in touch with. I've got my LinkedIn page, got my Instagram page, there's work that's coming through them as well.
So all in all, why, for anyone who's watching, should they go to MRN Engineering?
I've got the equipment, I've got the know-how. I work with all materials. I've got an inspection room with a CMM. I can offer that little bit extra with the design and the support. You'll get a real kind of personalised service with me, and I really work with you.